The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All right, let's try this again. Can you guys hear me? All right. Morning, fellas. Every once in a while, GoToWebinar throws me a curveball. Good morning, Melody, Dennis, Dan, Leo. Guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday. It is May 24th. We are off a phenomenal trade yesterday. I'll show you the numbers. Let's see here. Here are the numbers from yesterday. This is Monday. We did have one guy lose money. I'm not sure how or what he did, but two. But everybody that reported, good numbers. Some of you guys are not reporting. I have still keeping tallies, but some of you guys I'm just going to delete from this challenge. But good day yesterday. Order flow trades were phenomenal. Chris, good morning. Guys, yesterday, yesterday, for those of you that may be joining on trial, yesterday we had 15 separate traders get funded. 15. Nice job, Dan. I think I got you. Yeah, I had you yesterday. And today we already have our first. Terry Harris, he qualified on 5 accounts using the trade copier. 5 accounts, fellas. So we have our first for the day. Anybody else get funded that I'm not aware of yesterday, or you guys didn't let me know? We had 15 yesterday. Mitch. Did I get you yesterday, though? I think I did. I did. So you have another one since yesterday? Okay, so Mitch. How many does that make for you? 2? And Apex? All right, guys, so we have another. So if you guys remember at the start of this challenge, the goal was not only to get you guys funded, the goal was multiple funded accounts. So here's what I'm going to do. Because we have a number, I mean, we're now approaching 50 funded traders in the last 10 days, give or take. Oh, it'll never be over. We're going to keep going until we all have between 5 and 10 accounts, right? So here's what I'm going to do. On Saturday, this Saturday morning, I am going to do education again, right? We did education this past Saturday. Largely, we went over the bots, etc., and then I segued into this funded trader challenge that we are currently working on, right? So now that we have so many of you guys with actual funded accounts, I think it's imperative that we go over how do we trade the accounts, right? We have to make some alterations. We talked about it briefly last week, but I want to make it crystal clear as to how I see it that we trade these accounts once you pass the combine, right? As important it is, and obviously the primary challenge is to pass the combine. The most important challenge is to stay funded, right? We've got guys that are funded for many, many months. So if, as Paul said, if you want to get paid, the most important part in all of this is staying funded, right? So Saturday morning, 9 a.m., I will do a link. As always, that link will be in the member area, right? Don't email me for a link. I won't be sending it. Morning, Eddie. It'll be in the member area, and I will make announcements throughout the week. Today is only Tuesday. Good morning, Pete. Guys, if you are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We had a few of you join us overnight for today. So good morning and welcome. Richard, good morning. Good morning and welcome. Hopefully you guys are in the room already. Out of town for the holiday. You mean on Monday? Good morning, Greg. Room won't even be open on Monday. No, there's no market. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. I will record Saturday's education, of course, and it will be in the member area. Absolutely. Yep. In any event, let's rock and roll. Coming into today, after yesterday's up day. Yeah, NASDAQ short. It's below VWAP. NASDAQ down 207. ES off 44 handles. YM down 222. EMD off 23. We don't even trade it in the room, but Russell is off 15 and a half. Gold is up another 10 bananas. Silver, of course, is up as well. Crude's up $0.50 on the cusp of a breakout back to that 120 level. We need to get above about 112 and change. Natural gas giving back 3 ticks. Not much. The board currently is a sea of red in the pre-market, with the exception of Zoom, which is up 350. I do not expect that to hold. I don't think it does. I think it's just an oversold bounce. In any event, let me quickly, here comes the NASDAQ lower, fellas. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and then we'll do some charts. We do have a bit of news today. We also have Powell speaking, I believe, at 12:30. Good morning, Josh. And you're a dog. I got to go find the, give me a minute here, guys. I've got to find the disclaimer. Morning, Timo. Looking for the disclaimer, fellas. I apologize. And then we'll go over charts. Here we go. Not sure why this isn't opening. Opening in protected view. I have no idea what that means. U.S. government required disclaimer, futures and options trading. Excuse me. U.S. futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, let's do some charts. Anybody do any bot trades this morning? I have traded 2 accounts this morning. The first account is up 700 and change. The second account is up 270. So I caught this long. I did not get this short. I got this long earlier on my first account. Nice job, Mark. We got a bunch of guys up. On my first account, I got this long on the NASDAQ. I did not get this short on either. On my first account, I got this long. I have none of these shorts. And then here is gold. I have not traded crude, but it is rolling over. It's not going to give us a trade. So in any event, guys, that's where I'm at. I'm up, let's see here, 720, I think, on one account and 270. So almost $1,000 on the bots this morning. Where's my other account? Here's the other account, 725. That account's done. I have no idea, Arjan. So 725 and 270, I am up. Anybody have any questions? If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We've pushed back above that 25 on the yes. Yeah, that happens. Yes. And that happens if you look at the lines when we get these real close lines. The bot obviously can't pick that up. I mean, when it crosses the secondary time frames are in the same direction, it's going to take the trade. There's nothing. Good morning, Hugo. Welcome. So we do have a little bit of 8:30 news. Philly Fed. I don't care about Redbook retail sales. Richmond Fed at 10. New home sales is going to be interesting. New home sales. Morning, Bill. If anybody has any questions, feel free to holler. At the moment, I have nothing other than I see shorts. We'll take a look at order flow 1 second here. Thank you, Greg. All right. NASDAQ. Heavy volume, 109,000 contracts. Yeah, we've got Powell at 1220. We won't be in this room. We have heavy volume in the NASDAQ, 1,750 net sellers. We are shorts NASDAQ. Hey, Fernando. Today is the first day of your trial, and I will send you out an email each day. And here we go. ES, heavier volume, 194,000. 4,500 net sellers overnight. Gold, we do have buyers. Light volume in gold. You're very welcome. Light volume in gold. Crude, looks like she's coming down. They're going to try to fill this guy at 110. This guy will get filled at 110, this bid. Unfinished auction at 110.85, which I don't particularly. Gold just took a short and got first target. I don't even have the bot on. Small net buyers and bonds. NASDAQ is in shorts. I will wait. Gold just took that short, and I do not have it. Ideally, we get a little bit of a sell at the open and then a rebound, and those are usually very good trades. Again, if anybody is interested, I have puts on FedEx. They are July 15, 180 puts. Just want to take a spin. What account is it? Hang on, guys. 50 years in August? God bless, Steve. That's not true. Is that true, Randy? You'll have been married 50 years in July? Is that true? 41. Oh my gosh. You guys are awesome. Kind of makes my 7 look a little. Good morning, Patrick. Over 30 for Patrick. All right, listen, you guys are making me feel bad, man. Is there anybody married less time than me? Let's go that way. Congratulations, Ray. Well, I lived through the dot-com crash. I had the building fall on top of me. Couple of 23s. Congratulations, Hugo and Robert. Wow. Congratulations, Ron. I've learned that, Robert, after 3. We're just chopping around here, guys. My bots are off, but you could turn them on. They're in shorts. You're not going to get a trade until you get a reversal, Victor. I did miss the gold trade, but my bots are currently off. I do not like, as you know, very slow. Good morning. I don't like, typically I don't trade pre-market unless I see something I really, really like. Right now, I do not. I have no trades. 12 years and no children. Well, if you want to get rich, don't have kids. I have 3. I can tell you. All right, fellas. I'm going to try a 1 contract long on the NASDAQ, on the ES. Right here. I took a 1 contract long with a target at 30 quarter. That unfinished auction. I'm trying to get this auction here. Oh, you little rat dog. You missed me by 2 ticks. Go get that unfinished auction. I mean, we're above 25. If we break out above this 30 half, we get 31, we get 33 half. Oh, hit target, no fill. That is a peeve of mine. Hit 30 quarter, got the auction. You guys may want to take your money. I'm on the close. Nope. Got it. Got it. There you go. Anybody take it? Chuck, do you live in Cleveland? Little itty bitty order flow trade, fellas. Chuck, do you live in Cleveland? I didn't know that. We do. I didn't know that. We have another member in Cleveland. You know I'm in Ottawa. One and 2, actually 3, but 1 and 2 hit and filled on the ES. Anybody take those trades? Target 1 hit here on the YM. Anybody take them? Do I like the CL long? I don't have a CL long. Okay, fellas, nice job. Anybody have their daily goal? Anybody have daily goal? Goal hit for the day. Carl, 1. NASDAQ, no, not yet. Okay, Peter, good job. Patrick, good job. No, I don't like NASDAQ. Okay, Jeff, nice. Rich, nice. All right, guys. So we got some daily goals in already. That's what we do. Yeah, I mean, let me look at this YM. Yeah, we need help here. NASDAQ above that 45. Let me see what this is here, guys. Boom, boom. Crude, huh? Let me take a look at crude. No likey at this moment. No. Gold is in shorts. Let me take a look at it on another chart. If it gets above 58, which is only 3 ticks from here, you run into 60. If it gets above 65, 110.65, you'll be good. Let me take a look at it on order flow. You do have a small long 265 on crude. That unfinished auction there, I think you'll get that. I don't see anything above. Yeah, I mean, we got one way up here. That could be interesting. There's a small 10 tick trade in here. No, I wouldn't cut the NQ trade. No, I think you're going to be okay. You'll get at least first target, I think, at 50. You have small infinitesimal resistance at about 44, 45. Right where that swing here, right where this swing high is. If it pops that, you get that easily. Crude looks like it can go to 83. If any, I mean, that's an order flow trade now. I'm not gassed about the bot trade, so I don't have the bot on. It hadn't fired yet anyways. I don't believe. Yeah, it did. So you're back to your entry on NASDAQ. You're going to get that target, Eddie. You'll get your targets if anybody is in NASDAQ. This is it right here. Come on. There it goes. Here comes your target. No problem. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Come on, buddy. Little more oomph. Little more oomph. Little more oomph. Like 2 ticks oomph. Oh, you are a dog. Really. 2 ticks. Still think you'll get it, but, you know, this is why I hate pre-market. We missed by 2 ticks. I don't like shorts at the moment. It's pushing again. It's pushing again, NASDAQ. It's pushing again. Here it comes. You're going to get it now. Target hit. You got it. Target hit. Got your target. Did you hold it? There's your crude. Anybody take the order flow trade on crud? Unfinished auction filled. You got a 10 tick trade on crude. And now you can go to break even and hope for a lottery ticket. 111.44. It's a lottery trade. Anybody take it? Nice job, John. Done for the day. Okay, Jeff. I mean, we're just doing what we do every day, fellas. I mean, we're not buy side global. Thank God. You're welcome, Robert. Took one contract on CL up 600 for the day. Nice job, Timo. There you go, guys. I mean, 425 so far. Probably finished for the day as you got to go to work at 9. Okay, Robert. Crude on the bot did get target. No, hubba. My man. My man. I've half a mind to post it on the site. No. We could pull back now in the NASDAQ, guys. Back to 828. Crude could also roll over from here. Nice job, Dan. Or good. You haven't started it yet, though, right? So you got first and second target on YM. First target only on NASDAQ. You would be out at break even, and you got first and second target on the ES spots. Crude got first target, did not get second target, and gold got both targets. I did not take any of those trades yet. ES to me looks like it's going to try to punch up to 40. Why did that not save? Did not. It's, I'm setting up my trade copier, guys. It, for what some reason, did not save. Got 2 NQ contract trade for over. Nice job, Randy. Nice job. I don't know why my trade copier didn't save. All right. Let's see. Bot's on at 6 now. Nice job, Mark. All right, guys. I mean, I don't know that I do or I don't. That's the problem. But I don't believe I have any open. And if I do have any open, I don't have any on. This is how it's supposed to be, right? With tabs, right? Individual, Paul. I don't know why it wouldn't have saved. Yeah, I don't know why it wouldn't have saved. It just opened up with CL. It's moot. Guys, it's 8:51. We've made some money with order flow. We've made some money with bots. I'll be taking my breakfast break in 8 or 9 minutes. Does anyone have any questions? Crude's going to be a short, if anybody likes crude. Nope, not yet. It's just chopping around. No, order flow. Below that 44 should give ticks. We do have net buyers. This could trade up to 83 and roll, but do I like gold? Let me look at gold. Take a look at GC. No. I mean, it may get to 57.4, which is only 7 ticks from here. Fernando, I will not. I send out to trials every day, a daily email with kind of a recap and the room video. It's an unedited video, so the video could be 2.5 hours, depends. So you guys, that are on trial can go back through and see the trades and the bot trades. So what we're trying to accomplish here, Fernando, just today is your first, there's 2 of you that joined today, first day of your trial. What we're trying to accomplish here is not only getting traders funded, and since Friday, this goes back to Friday. So I'm sorry, it doesn't. So last week we had 21 traders funded. Yesterday we had 16 funded yesterday, 16. We had 1 guy with 3 accounts yesterday get funded. So we had, of the 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 traders all get funded with multiple accounts. So what we're trying to accomplish here is we're trying to get everybody a funded account. And the real goal is to get traders that have, 5 to 10 funded accounts. And according to one of our members sent me an email, with Apex, you can actually go to 20 accounts, funded accounts. But in any event, so the theory being, right, what we're working on is, if you have 5 funded accounts and you make $200 a day using the trade copier, you basically made $1,000 a day, right? It's far easier to make. I mean, I can make $200 without even. I mean, we can make $200 a day. It's kind of a joke, right? All right, so we have another funded trader, right? David, another one? There we go, another trader today. That's 3 today already. 3 funded traders today. So what we've done is we've taken the bot and we've modified the settings to be more accommodative toward a funding type program, whether it's Apex, OneUp, TopStep, Lilu, one of the many others. It's kind of irrelevant. We all happen to be using Apex for the most part. Modified that bot, and then because I'm an order flow trader, as you've probably heard while you're driving, I am giving my perspective and some directive as to, do I think these trades based on order flow are solid trades or not? As you can tell already, the suggestions that I offered, if you wanted to take these trades, I liked them. They've all hit target, right? And gold just hit target, and I don't have my gold bot on. And in any event, that's what we're trying to accomplish here. So we're using an automated system to trade across multiple accounts and multiple instruments simultaneously, while I, being in the driver's seat to a large degree, am watching order flow to deduce, okay, do we want these is this a trade we want? Right? So what we're not doing is we're not turning the robots on and cutting them loose, if you will, and letting them trade themselves silly, because they will go up 1,000 and down 300, et cetera, up 300, down 500. You know, if the market gets choppy, no system, I don't care what the system is, no system will perform well in a choppy, sideways, crappy kind of market. So I am kind of trying to, what we have here is a combination of an automated system and then order flow that I'm watching order flow for on the trades to deduce, okay, do these trades make sense? Now, I'm never going to be 100% right. Yeah, it's kind of a hybrid bot. Exactly, Steve. Thank you. But we are doing pretty damn good with it. I mean, we've probably gotten close to 50 funded traders now since we started this program. And it's only been 2.5 weeks. I think this is the third week. Session where we sell off much of the morning, then in the afternoon or whenever it may come, you want the reversal. I mean, does Snapchat really have this much sway? So if you took NASDAQ, you got the first target. I'm not in any trades. I would think the YM trade works out as well. You can short, if you didn't take there you go. YM trade should come down, I would think, as well. I have no bots on, guys. None. I'm not trading this initial. Let them settle down. Let's get the order imbalances out of the way here. I'm watching ES. YM is bid. ES is not. NASDAQ selling. YM is currently bid. I'm not taking any trades yet, guys. None. Let this stuff settle down. I've got nothing yet. Here is the ES that we're watching, right? We really don't want to come below 925. I'd like to get a candle open above 34 to trade it to 38, 39, target one. If we're going to get a long out of this, I'm watching that. I have no buyers yet. I have no unfinished auctions that I see. So currently the only thing bid is the YM. Looks like we're coming to 783, which is yesterday's low. And I think we may take that out. FedEx is down $3 this morning. I'm loving it. I told you I bought puts. Right now we're just chopping around. NASDAQ starting to get a little bit of a bounce. All right, guys. I like the bounces up now. Longs on the bot. You can turn bots on now. All right, we're back above VWAP. We do have we've got small buyers. We don't have any long trade setups yet. Verizon moving lower. Inflation and competition have tempered second quarter results. On the 22nd, 1 month ago, Verizon said they had solid results. They've now changed that. All right. We're trying to turn up is what it looks like. Small buyers. Nope. They just got smacked. The only thing that has a shot of a long might be the YM, but let them come down, fellas. Let them sell. Don't really care. Crude is going to give you a long. This is an order flow trade on a move above 110.35. Order flow didn't get there. So if you trade crude, watch 110.36. Didn't get there. NASDAQ traded into yesterday's low and bounced off that 83 and is still selling. We now have 2,000 net sellers in the NASDAQ. I like gold long. Gap down in the Qs, 5 handles. Amazon looks like it wants to go below 2,000 bucks. CL went long at 36. Target one is 47, 48. If we get above that 48, it's going to rocket. Is anybody long crude on an order flow trade? There's 42. Come on, buddy. How far below, Lee? Okay, Timo. Come on, dog. Pump it up. It's just fighting a little bit of a trend line, but I like it long. It's fighting 44. Should get through that. ES value area low will probably trade into that 3,900 again. Good Lord, this market, man. Good Lord. One day up and hatchet job. All right, guys. Crude broke out. Massive trade on crude. Massive. Massive. Free trade here, guys. So you took one off at 48. It's now at 80. Anybody else in crude? Massive. Massif. A massif trade. More to trade than the NASDAQ, fellas. Nice job, Arjan. 600 bucks. Nice job, brother. Oh, shoot. I didn't even turn my damn bot on. How about that? Nice job, fellas. So I'm telling you guys what I'm seeing. Yeah, bot took it. I didn't turn the damn thing on. I've got the other ones on, not crude. It's on another screen. NASDAQ breaks below 53. We come 725. Nice job, Richard. Nice job. Yep. So crude bot, which is on another screen, I didn't turn on. Almost a second target. Order flow, though, got it. So Ed, I like to use these kinds of questions as a teaching moment, right? Teach a man to fish, you feed him for life. If crude is not on, and it should have been, let's assume it's not because I have it on another screen. What other bots do we trade? What other bots do we trade? And if I said bots can be on, what does that mean? They are all on, except I forgot to turn on crude because it's on another dang screen and I didn't turn it on. I have all of my bots on. The only thing that can happen now is we get longs. And at the rate we're going, I mean, guys, I gave you that trade at 36. It's up 60 ticks at the rate we're going. And you guys, don't be afraid to take an order flow trade, for crying out loud. If you'll take it on the bot, why wouldn't you take it order flow? I mean, at the rate we're going, we ain't going to see a trade until 2 o'clock today. Been to this movie. Nice job, Paul. Some of your totals, if you guys are done. Saudi Arabia foreign minister said, we have done what we can for oil. Let's take a look at order flow, see if we have any buyers, guys, in the one guy, 96 contracts. I still don't have you've got a small long potentially back up to 27, 28, but We have to come through 25, right? Right click on the chart, Timo, reload Ninja Script. Reload Ninja Script. Rich just got funded again. Another one. Another funded trader. Another funded trader. This is his second. You're welcome, Timo. Gold is not in a trade. Oh, yeah, it is. It is in a short. Nice job, Sharon. Up 726. Don't forget to send me your totals, guys. I think we're coming 38.90, fellas, on the ES. 38.90. I mean, we lost that 25 level. I don't think there's anywhere else for us to go. We have market PMI reading coming. We have PMI at 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, 9:45. Looking for 57.8 versus 59.2. NASDAQ headed down to 725. Look at that crude. Almost up $1, fellas. Nice job, Ron. I don't know. I don't know, Chris. YM's going to go long on the bot. Let's see what that looks like. I'm not crazy about it, but I'll let the bot take it in 1 minute and 40 seconds. Peter, another funded account on Lilu. Nice job, Peter. It's 5 today, guys. $57.5, 2/10 low. 57.5 versus 57.7, 2/10 lower. There goes YM. The bot's going to take a trade here in 30 seconds. Does the monthly account fee with Apex only apply to device? I don't know, Timo. Can't answer that. I think the monthly is waived once you pass the evaluation, but then you pay a fee to have the funded account. It's $80. Yeah, it's $80. Here you go. Long coming on. There's YM long. Come on, little guy. Go get that. Come on, buddy. Go get 28 ticks. Target 1 filled. YM bot. Target 1 filled. Target 1. Target 1. Get that target 2, and this one will be done for the day too, fellas. I'm at 405. Well, hell, I could be done here. 405. I want that second target, though. Let's go. Come on, YM. Pump it up. I'm at 405. On second target, this account will be done. This will be 2 Apex accounts done for the day. Wow, crude was a whale. NASDAQ, okay, out. Out. Yeah, gold spiked on the news. Man, if it was Apple, we'd be at 0 already. Anybody buy those anybody buy FedEx puts? We'll get a reversal eventually, guys. Again, it could be this afternoon, but we will get a reversal. All right, guys are already reporting. Done for the day. I got taken out. NASDAQ looks like it's headed to 675 now. Probably 681. If we get a move up near 740, I'll short it. Time is at 9:49. All right, guys. My target twos have been different than yours this morning. I haven't changed anything, fellas. If I changed something, you guys would know, right? I would tell you. Nothing's changed. Amazon is going to give us a short. I don't like it. Apple's rolling over. Google is getting hit with the debacle. You can buy puts on Google if you guys like Google. Maybe 2050, 2100s. First target is Google at 2070. Tesla also rolling over. Was short here at 648. First target is 635. Microsoft starting to roll. NVIDIA was, you could have bought puts on NVIDIA. AMD probably the same. It hasn't gone yet, but it's going. Netflix could have bought puts. Costco rising. Facebook getting slapped. Can't happen to a nicer guy. Let him sell. It's all right, Peter. We'll get him. We'll get him. I think ES is a short at 21. My stop would be 29. 21 with a 29 if you like ES short. I don't have longs yet. There may be a scalp long trying, but 21 with a 28 stop. Order flow trade. Didn't get there. I think it got to 20 and change. YM is still maintaining longs. You can try a small NASDAQ long. You might get to 75 on NASDAQ. We do have buyers. Call it 70, 71. There's 52. This is an order flow trade, fellas. 53. All right, Richard, see you, brother. Farm stocks holding up the Dow, okay? Yeah, it was a small long to 55, but I still think we get a bit higher, fellas. Still think we get 70-ish. YM is hanging in there nicely. Crude and gold are up. ES has not turned, nor has NASDAQ. Nice job, Pete. Funded by $5. Not a lot of room. Not a lot of room. A lot of buyers. 1,000 contracts have been bought in the NASDAQ in the last 6 minutes. 3-minute candles. Do 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 da da dee dee da 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 do. Anybody long NASDAQ? Ah, that's right. Paul passed $150,000 value eval by $8. Barely got you beat, Peter. Barely has you beat. Anybody short ES at 21 with a 28 stop? Anybody short the ES at 21 with a 28 stop? Target one is 18. Nobody. Okay, 2 guys. 18, target one. So far, we're just kind of sitting on 19.5. There's 19. Come on, dog. 19, 7.5, half, quarter, 18. 18 target hit. 18 target hit. Now it's a free trade, fellas. Free trade. I'd hold that son of a gun, see if we can blow it out. We've got infinitesimal support at 15, and your target is 3890 on a final. 3890. 3890. You got 6 handles in it now, guys. Come on, baby. Blow it out. 3890. Give them the whole bone. NASDAQ looks like she's headed to 682. It's trying to work lower to 682. YM may be rolling. Crude, no turn in sight yet. NASDAQ's going to break this low. We're up to 2,800 net sellers. Come on, we just ticked it. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me the pop. Next target is 682. 682 if you're short NASDAQ. 682. I think new home sales is a miss, my opinion. I think new home sales misses. 682 is your next target if anybody is short. On the ES trade, you folks are up now 9 handles. You're up a 9 spot, fellas. Fun, fun, fun. Man, I did give a long, and it did move up into 56. And I gave that original long at 20. I mean, 20, 26, 25 to 30 handles, that wasn't enough for you? You can't let a trade that's up 25 to 30 handles go against you, Timo. Okay, well, if you're late, then pass on trades. Don't take them. That goes for everybody. No, I'm not saying you are. But if you're late on a trade, anybody, don't take them. I'm not sure we're going to get it. I mean, this is like the other day, guys. We may not get a turnaround until 1:30 on the indices. Sell them all morning and then trap Europe on the bottom. I'm good with that. By the way, guys, many of you have asked about June. If there is anybody that would like to trade in the afternoons in June, send me an email. It's $199 for the month. I promise you, June is the last month I'm doing it until September. I am not working July or August. Morning, Darwin. All right, here comes that 82 target on the ES now. New home sales expected at 750. I'm waiting for this YM to roll over, which doesn't seem to want to. It's like they're buying the YM at the moment. Richmond Fed -9 versus 10 expected. Big miss, Richmond Fed. Manufacturing shipments down 14. She's a big miss. New home sales looking for 750 versus 763 prior. Who's still holding ES? Loving that trade, huh, fellas? Target is 38.90. Not even close. New home sales 591 versus 750. Told you it'd be a miss. Monthly supply at 9 months versus 6 prior. Woo! This is where builders take it in the keister. Watch them all fall. Seen this movie. Seen this movie. I don't know if it's any good or not, but I'm taking it. I don't like it. No. Unless we drop back below 630 on the YM. It didn't take it anyways. I have my bot on, but it didn't take it. 630 is the short area. Keep coming. Guys, you're going to trade the ES to 38.90. That is make or break. If 38.90 goes, I promise you, this is going to get very, very, very ugly very, very fast. Here comes the ES like a freight train, 38.90. How many guys passed on the ES at 21, up 17, 16 handles, 800 a contract? Most of the room passed on it. That was an order flow trade. NASDAQ is like completely dead. She's headed down to 575. Don't you bounce. Go to target. Come on. Come on, YM. YM's got to break below 594 to get that first target. 594. Nice. Come on, YM. Let me see what YM is. YM is down 222 points. 222. I'll be killing this trade momentarily. If this doesn't just drop, I'm going to kill it. Come on, dump. Puke it up. Come on, YM. Puke it up. It's about as far as I want to go with this thing. Come on. Throw it up. What are you hanging on to over here? Nothing. This should get down to 85 anyways. I'm out. Don't care what it does. I'm out. I'm out. Don't care what it does. It's failing VWAP. Now it may come. Now it may come. Now it may come. Here comes YM now. Here comes YM now. There it goes. God dang it, man. Come to target. Give the guys a target, for Christ's sake. Come on, NASDAQ. Sell them off below 42. Come to 625. Here it comes. 625. I hate YM, fellas. Hate it. Hate YM. Still think it's going to sell. This could pop back up to VWAP. This is it on our bot. 2 minutes. Nice job, Chuck. We have another funded trader. Nice job. Nice job, Chuck. Nice job, Chad. Send me your, guys, make sure if you're done. If you're done. Well, YM didn't go to a stop. I can't answer that. I mean, I closed the YM trade and it has not gone to target yet, but it's pretty darn close. It's just holding this. Once this breaks, we're going to drop like a rock. NASDAQ won't give me another trade. I have nothing on order flow, ES, NASDAQ, whatever. We came down to 3,900. I mean, again, I can lead horses to water, but I can't force them to drink, right? I gave an order flow short, ES, at 20 freaking 1. 21. It just hit 900. 21. It's an $1,100 trade on one contract, and only 4 or 5 guys take the trade. I've said this once. I've said it a million times. You guys can take order flow trades with your damn Dom and your Apex accounts if you want to. If you don't, you don't. All right, it's cool. It's cool. But, you know, again, this is why some guys get better results than others. Some of you are only, you know, listen, some of you guys have an STD, all right? Scared to death. You are scared to death to push a button. I can't overcome that for you. Exactly, Dirk. If you guys are scared to take a trade, there's not much I can do for you as a trader. That's okay, Mark. Got in at 19. ES is not done. I hope you guys are still holding that sumbitch. Now YM got first target, and here comes second target. Here comes second target on that YM. We are selling off to hell, fellas, right now. Which sucks because, you know, I hate directional trades. I hate directional trades. I prefer two-sided trades. We got a long way to fall here, fellas. Long way down. And I can't even get in a trade. I nailed ES. Look at this ES, fellas. 90 is your target, 38.90. That ellipse is to remind me if that busts, 38.55. You're welcome, Mike. She's a big one. Mr. ES. I mean, again, guys, I say it all the time, and many of you guys just pass on trades. I give you the stop, I gave you the entry and the stop. I gave you a small first target, 3 handles. Get risk off. If we don't bounce 38.90, this is going to get really, really brutal. Really, really brutal. Uh, 907. 907. They haven't even slowed down yet on the selling. It hasn't even slowed down. I mean, you're 3 handles from that 90. Brutal. It is brutal. Crude is starting to roll. Crude and gold are rolling. I have no other entry on ES. If you're out, you're out, fellas. I have nothing right now. Nice job, Gary. Up 821. Amazon almost a first target. Q short, which I missed. The opening 15-minute candle at 86 just hit first target. Let's see if we've got anything else close. Amazon almost a first target. Apple is going. All right, there's a crude bot short. Google First target hit, coming into second target. Nice job, Don. Nice job, Dennis. Everybody's up, man, for the most part. Microsoft is going to short on this candle. NVIDIA shorted. AMD, you can buy puts on AMD here. You don't have much of a target, 88 and change. Costco went long. Facebook, Boeing, missed Boeing. Guys, these were all put trades. I missed them all. Come on, crude. Let me see what this looks like on order flow. Should come down. Doing what crude does. Cannot get a long trade on the indices. There's just no long trade to take. There is no stinking long trade yet. Nice job, Darwin. There goes NASDAQ. Yeah, ruh-roh. Uh-oh, fellas. Uh-oh. We're breaking 90. Anybody trailing ES still? Drop your stops to 98. Your target now is 38.55. Guys, this is a fucking whale from 21. Crude. Come on, dog. Got to 48, 5 ticks from target. That 44 is a problem. Come on, crude break right here. I mean, this could break a ways. Don't pop up. I don't want to see it pop back up to 64. Come on, keep coming, you scumbag. This could go right back up to 75. Come on, sell them. It's got to drop below 48 and it gets that target. Should get that target. We have small sellers. I mean, we literally have 14 sellers in this 3-minute bar. 10. There's no sellers. The sellers were 2 bars back, 500 and change. There's 19, 20. Come on, there it is. First target hit and filled. There we go. Say goodbye to the NASDAQ, fellas. How about all the chumps that bought in yesterday into the NASDAQ? Position traders. How about all those guys? DOA. They're dead. Both targets hit on crude. Bot is done for the day, fellas. Bot is done for the day. Or at least this account. Unless we get reversals somewhere. Guys, listen, I'm pretty damn happy with this trade. This is the next stop, 38.55. Below that, seriously, all kidding aside, it's the abyss. No, you cannot. If you are not short from 21 where I gave it, now up 40 handles, $2,000 per contract, you are not shorting it here. Absolutely, categorically not. No. Man, I'll tell you what, the man bun traders are dead. Yeah, don't get FOMO here, I mean. Don't get FOMO. That's bad. Let me look at gold. No, I don't. I do not like gold short. Nope. Not to say that it can't work. I just looking at order flow, I don't like it. We're above VWAP. I mean, this could be the day, fellas. That's right, Mitch. Exactly right. I'd rather not be in a trade and wish I was than in a trade and wish I was not. I've been in both those shoes. Guys, I'm going to go get coffee. 1 minute. All right, fellas, I'm close. Nice job, Peter. I wish you would share those. We are still nowhere near getting a damn trade. I mean, nowhere near. You might have a small long on the NASDAQ for a scalp. ES may pop back up to 90, and you can try the short up there. NASDAQ, no go. No go. Almost 5,000 negative delta today. Yeah, these are, there's a trade here on the NASDAQ for, you can try it with a target at maybe 1920. It's an aggressive trade. I'm not taking it. I'll let you know when I do. Maybe we get turnaround Tuesday here. I don't see anything really turning around yet or holding. So I really, don't. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to pop. ES might pop back to 85. Remember, resistance is going to be 90, 38.90. All right, guys, I'm going to try a small NASDAQ long here. Hang on, right here. Get that target, you dog. Got it. Now move to break even. Oh. 2 targets. 2 targets. This could get 45 now. Anybody take that trade? So negative delta, basically we take all the buyers, all the sellers, subtract them, and we either have net buyers or net sellers. Today we have net sellers. So right now there are 4,400 more net sellers than buyers. So ES, did we trade to 90? I think we tagged that 90 again. We did. Look at that, 90, and backed off 4 or 5 handles. Boom. Nice job, Dominic. Took the 90 short. Take some risk off, though. Take some risk off if you're trading multiples. All right, Chuck now has 2 funded accounts today. All right, fellas. Getting them funded. Getting them funded. Getting them funded. Chuck now has his 2nd today. Boom. We only have 6 today, though. Come on, we had 16 yesterday. Let's go. Anybody close? No more Red Bull for me. Anybody close to funded, guys? Dominic needs $100 and $200 for 2. What does that mean, Mark? If the bot is already in a trade short and it's getting ready to take a long, is that what you're saying? Chris is $200 away. Well, obviously it'll flip into a long, Mark. It'll reverse into a long. Unless you don't want it to, then you turn the bot off and it won't take a trade. But anybody else take that 90 short on the ES? There's another 9 handles. Anybody? One guy. Okay, Johan, nice. ES can't go anywhere unless it clears that 90, and it ain't going to clear 90 anytime soon. It is not going to clear 90 anytime soon. Is there anybody not making money? And I want to reiterate, guys, it is 10:25. Right? We close at 11. If the bots reverse, and Buy-Side Global ain't making any money. If the bots reverse today at 1 or 2 o'clock, whenever it may be, and if it's after the room, I'll be on Skype. But they're going to be good trades. As a heads up, you've been running the trade copier on the regular bots for some time. The copier does not do great with reversal trades. It will usually close the first trade. Oh, really? But not get in the second trade. Thank you, Mark. Paul said that is correct. No joke. Okay. I wonder why. I have nothing in crude. It's gone dormant. We got targets on the bot. I have nothing currently in gold. If I had to take a trade in gold, it would be long. I think this gold trade will work if we can get up through that 64.7. NASDAQ long at the close of this candle above 40. NASDAQ, all right, you little dingbat. I'm fixing to try a long again on the NASDAQ. Come on, give me the close. Yeah, here we go. Long NASDAQ, I think here, fellas. Pull back, give me a wick. All right, I hit the long, and it's not going to go. I'll be out of this trade. No, maybe. Not going to go. I closed it at a loss. It's not a short, though. It's trying to go long. I just can't use the stop. Come on. What are you going to do, NASDAQ? We've got some buyers. We're down to 4,000 sellers. Oh, missed by a tick on the damn target. There it is. Come on. Go get that target. Got it. Come on. All right, guys. I'm about $280 from another funded account. I got that. I got it the second time on a different account. I'm $280 away from funded on that account. We're below 4,000. We got buyers. We're longs on the NASDAQ. ES is above 90. Now let's hold 90. I'm going to take an ES long. Hang on, guys. I'm changing accounts to that one. I want to see what happens at 90. Yes, it is. Screen real estate is valuable. If ES can get above 93, it'll give us a trade. This is the war right here, 90. I'm watching it on order flow. I'm waiting for buyers. We're setting up. We have some buyers up here, an 80 buyer, a 58 buyer. We're back above 90. We're going to squeeze up, guys. I've got to get above 93 is where I want it long. We're trying to go up. 10:30? Yeah, 10:30. Yeah. Come on. We're hanging in here, guys. Stop has to be 83. I wanted above 83. I wanted above 93. NASDAQ, same thing. We're going long. We're going up on NASDAQ. We're getting a bid now in crude. Gold is nothing. NASDAQ is trying to turn up on the bot. It's got some work to do, but it's trying to turn up. If we can get up through 11,750, we can go a ways. Let me take a look at a couple of things here. Let me look at Tesla. I may buy Tesla calls. Nope. No, I'm not. Wait a minute. Yeah, daily. No. Argentina, something about foreign exchange rules with oil and gas producers. Still don't have a trade here, guys, till we get over. No trade. It's losing it. Anybody have any questions, fellas? Man, we lost the yes. Crude gives you a long 110.50. Gold doing nada. So far today, guys, I've traded 3 different Apex accounts. 720, 650, and 300. Across 3 accounts, I'm at 1670. The last one was straight order flow. If we get a reversal, I expect them to be good trades. I just put a different account on the bots. The afternoon, you mean, Dominic? The afternoon is just order flow trades. That is correct. There are no bot trades. I mean, yesterday I suggested the guys could turn their bots on and we took some trades. And they worked. But it is 99% is just what I'm seeing in order flow. Yeah. So yeah, you mean the order flow indicator? Whenever I have the order flow class, I teach, a number of aspects of the order flow, and the indicators that I use that are mine to give, I give everybody. I do like gold long, John. Yeah. Gold just has to, I'm looking at gold right now on order flow. Gold has to pop above 60. It's about 4 ticks away from breaking up. It's a pain in the neck, but it's about 4 ticks away from going. We're slowing down a shard. Crude, if it turns up, I like that. Let's see, hang on a second, guys. Where are we here? What's got to go here? Maybe 51. Yeah. Crude's got to get above 50, 51. If anybody is interested in the afternoon session, guys, it's generally a little easier trade, not as active, but we typically do as well, if not better, in the afternoon. We're obviously not dealing with Europe. It's $199 a month. June is definitely, and again, depending on participation, I may not even do it in June. I have almost enough guys that it's worth the time. But if anybody would like to join us for the month, it will. If we do it, it will definitely. Yeah, I'm still in the afternoon, Isaac, or at least planning on it. If anybody is interested, email me. Yeah, this will definitely be the last month I do it until September. July and August, I want to be. I want to take July and August off. No, you don't make the difference. No, you would no. What? No. Looks like we're coming back down, fellas. I really, really, really like the reversals if we get them. Gold waffling, which is annoying as all hell. If you guys, me, I get agitated with these piss poor trades, but gold is long. ES, I can't do anything with until I get back over 90, ideally 93. NASDAQ does not wish to turn up. Do I have any unfinished auction on ES or at a specific price? Top of the candle at 87.5. I have nothing below that. There it is. It's gone. That was the trade. This is where I'll take it. I'm looking to take it long, guys. Yes. Back above 90. I want to get above this swing. I really want that 93 quarter gone. 93 half. And then my target is going, I mean, we could trade back, VWAP 39.12. NASDAQ has got bid. I like NASDAQ longs here, fellas, 54. We could go back to 700. It's waffling, but ES is trying. ES above that 93 should start an up move. I like NASDAQ long. Stop is, stop's not bad. It's 30, 31. I like it right here, 50 to 53 area. Here it goes. 55. Come on. NASDAQ needs to get above 64, and she's going to go, if we could go 720. 720 on NASDAQ. 720 if we can get above 65. Little bit of resistance at 73, but I'm looking for the reversal. I just closed some puts. This is a no joy yet. Everything's getting pulled, right? Order flow, guys. Lower highs. I wanted above that swing, 93 and a quarter. I'm watching this NASDAQ because I really want to catch this move up. Gold came within a tick or two of target. If you guys are in gold, literally a tick. Those are not trades you let go against you. Come on, NASDAQ, building a flag here. We're building a bull flag on a 1 minute on NASDAQ. We're down to 3,600, now 3,700 net sellers. We're down from 54 is the highest I see. We had 5,400. We're down to 3,700. NASDAQ and ES. NASDAQ's going. There goes NASDAQ. There goes NASDAQ. ES is going to go with it. Watch your bots. NASDAQ got up to 70, 69. I still like the longs. ES, I like it above that 93, guys, and I think it can trade close, back up to 39.01. I like NASDAQ. NASDAQ needs to get above 72 and if anybody is long NASDAQ, your target is 7. Look, you have targets along the way, 680, 700, 720, 726. Crude is getting a bid. Man, these things are trying like holy heck. Just can't get it. It will. It's going to get a reversal. I like the bot trades on reversals, no matter when they come today. I will take them in another account. All right, so I've got 3 accounts in the green. This is 4th. It's at 0. Low of the day on the ES. NASDAQ's going to get punched in the face now. All right, I'm under $200 now to another account. $180. Let's see if we have any option trades. I have nothing on Amazon. We got the option. This is the bot for those of you guys that don't know. This is the bot. It's on a 15-minute time frame. Nice job. Nice job, Chris. 5 accounts up 835, 530, 595, 520, and 530. Nice job, Chris. Very nice. So, again, at 10 o'clock, I could have bought puts on Amazon with a $33 first target. It's a nice trade. Apple. Google. We could have bought puts at 2,100. We've hit $30 and $50 on targets. Tesla. We could have been short 648. We've hit first target, 634. I need another set of eyes. Microsoft is coming down hard. NVIDIA coming down. AMD coming down back to its entry. I'll teach you guys how to use this for option trades. Netflix coming toward first target. It's only a $3 target. Facebook. Boeing got first and second target. Small option trade. Home Depot, basically flat down here. Anybody have anything they want me to look at? I'm happy to look at it. Google getting hit with Snap. ES now headed off into the sunset, probably down to 38.55. Small bounce here off 72, but I mean, honestly, Rich, honestly, here's QQQ. Q's, you could have shorted at 286 on the first 15-minute bar of the day. It's already hit first target at two and change on the points. Now we're headed down here to 281 if we take out the low of the day and potentially lower. I mean, if I had more eyes, guys, we could trade options as well. Deepak is supposed to be my eyes, but he's in California somewhere. Gold moving up again. Guys, we got 5 minutes to 11 o'clock where we'll end it for the day. Does anybody have? I'll leave my bots on this fourth account. Does anybody have any questions before we basically wrap it up? Everybody clear what I'm looking for? I will wait for the reversal, which should come at some point. I mean, unless we're just going to sell into the complete abyss, which is not likely, but could happen. Is there anyone that has any questions about what I'm doing? And yeah, we should get a reversal. No, I have had some in the past, Don, where I've closed trades and it doesn't seem to close them and it seems to put something else on. And yeah, I have seen that with Apex 3844. None. Just keep hitting close. No, I mean, you can, but if we get the longs, right, and get targets, it'll shut the bots off anyways because you'll hit your daily goal. For my 1 o'clock guys, I will see you all in about 2 hours. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have FOMC minutes at 12:20. We have Powell speaking. So pay attention to that. Does anybody have any questions before we wrap it up? So today, a little slower than yesterday, to be expected. Today we had, we had 6 funded traders today. We had 6 funded today, and we've got a number that are with, handful of guys within 500, myself included. Yeah, great day, fellas. Great. Anybody not have a great day? Send me your bot totals, please. Got a number of guys that should pass, between the rest of today, and certificates. When you get your certificates, thank you, Hubba. Got a number of guys that, are close, should pass sometime today or tomorrow. Yeah, email me bot totals when you're done, fellas. Email me bot totals when you're done. Yeah, well, a lot of guys, Paul, haven't gotten them like from yesterday. They haven't gotten them yet, but we're collecting them, guys. I'm going to do a collage and send them to Buyside Global. We'll email them to Buyside Global. Save 50, Robert. Save 50.